Everyone, a quick little overview on a couple different changes inside the Facebook Ad Manager at the ad level. As you can see at the ad level here, where we're creating the actual ad creative, we've got a few different changes, right? We can see the actual ad and how it's going to look on desktop, instant articles, right? Kind of giving you all the different placement options that you might be running the ad, and then show you exactly what the ad is going to look like on the ad placement. A pretty cool new change that they've added there. And then some people have messaged me asking, where is the video tools, the video creation tools, where they've chosen to create a different media upload here. And if you hit create media, go to use a video template, and that's going to open up the video creation tools that we have here. We have these standard ones that have been there for about a year. And then below, we've got a few different others they've started to add as they're creating new templates for us to work on. So display a product, or present a brand, or frame an image, right, whatever it might be. And they've really started to add a little bit more of animation to some of these, and also added vertical display, really focusing more on the mobile-based viewers, which is a good majority of people inside of Facebook. So let's say we're to go ahead and feature a specific image, or go ahead and create a campaign based on this. So we'd go ahead and open that and go ahead and select the image. See if we can find someone that might be more of a vertical image for us to work on. I'm going to go ahead down here, and let's go ahead and just choose this specific one right here. And so we can use this image and then switch different scenes, right? Add a logo, or turn that off so the logo disappears. Move to the next scene. It can be a different image, right, that we might want to add. Some sort of text overlay that we can then introduce. And we might have here, and then you can start to change the font as well on these, which is a new option. This is really cool to have, right? Change the background color for that text, or just keep it clear, whatever it might be. And then you can move through and create more of those different scenes, right? So you might add and select a different image. And then any kind of effects that we might want to use on that, right? Some sort of sticker, sale. Most of these are focused on e-commerce, but it is giving us a little bit of options for Mother's Day and some other kind of cool things we might have there, right? So we can go ahead and add those, and then choose the placement of where those might be, and then choose the sticker size, right? Add large, medium, or remove it. And then we can get to see what that looks like. So very quickly, you can create a really cool animated ad that is built for mobile. It's quick, it's easy, using your own photos, and some little animation effects with it as well. So just a quick overview on exactly how the new changes that are taking place. Vertical and square, those formats created for you, so you can create both. And then boom, we've got a brand new video using Facebook's video tools. And then we can get to see exactly what they look like right inside of the Facebook ad creative right here at the ad level.